What's the next one? Chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka. Chicken.
So what's that called?
Chicken masala.
What?
Chicken tikka masala.
What?
Chicken tikka masala.
What?
Chicken tikka masala.
Huh?
Chicken masala.
Chicken tikka masala.
What?
I believe it's pronounced chicken tikka masala.
All right, so one of our favorite trucks on the Great Food Truck Race sold chicken tikka masala, and I always wanted to know what it tasted like because I've never tried it before. So here we are. We got Sukhi's irresistible Indian cuisine chicken tikka masala. It says it's tender white chicken in a creamy tomato curry.
It looks weird.
Chicken.
It looks like it's orange sauce.
First, remove paper sleeve from that. Already done. Cover and heat on high. 2 minutes for 1 bag or 4 minutes for 2 bags. Okay. And then stir, cover, and heat for another 1 to 2 minutes until entry is hot. Stir again. Let stand for 1 minute. Serve with Sukhi's lemon rice. Smells delicious.
All right, chicken tikka masala. It's good. I don't know what I'd compare it to.
It's spicy.
Okay, good. Try it then. What does it taste like? Tastes like spaghetti sauce, kind of?
Yes. But spaghetti sauce sucks.
It's really good. The sauce is kind of spicy and sweet. It's weird.
It's weird.
Yeah, but it's good. So.
All right. All right, Anthony.
It's interesting.
All right, James.
I don't have any. Got a weird flavor, but it's tasty.
Yeah.
Chicken is really sweet.
I'm gonna go with what Colin said. It's a little spicy, and then it's sweet, and it tastes real good. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I like it.
Yeah.
All right, what's everybody saying? I'm saying thumbs up.
I could tell why they sold it on a food truck.
So we bought this at Costco. It comes already pre-made. You just warm it up. It says you can microwave it for 2 minutes. The chicken is super tender. The flavor is good. It has like a slight spicy flavor to it, but it's not really spicy at all. But for a kid that doesn't like spicy, it might be